Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to approach unlimited play in Clash of Clans. Many players seek ways to enjoy the game without the usual resource constraints, like building instantly or having infinite gems. This usually points to unofficial game clients or fan-made private servers, which offer a different experience. It is important to understand that these are separate from the main game and carry their own unique considerations. Private servers are essentially custom-built versions of the game, designed by fans, operating completely separate from Supercell's official servers. These often grant players infinite amounts of gems, gold, elixir, and dark elixir right from the start. You can typically build your base instantly, unlock all troops, and experiment with strategies without resource limitations. Remember, these experiences are distinct from your official game account and do not sync with it. While the idea of unlimited resources sounds appealing, there are significant risks to consider. Unofficial clients could contain malware or compromise your device's security. Furthermore, private servers often lack the stability, regular updates, and support found in the official game. Always be cautious about the source of any downloaded files and understand that your main game progress remains untouched by these alternative versions. If you decide to explore these unofficial options, it is crucial to do so safely and responsibly. Look for reputable communities and forums dedicated to Clash of Clans private servers, as they often share information and links. Always download from sources with a strong reputation and numerous positive testimonials, checking for recent activity and user feedback. Consider using a dedicated device or virtual environment for an added layer of security.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.